Hello and welcome to today's tech tip. Today I'm going to show you how to go into insertion mode in the programming browser. In the program you see here, we have a couple circle measurements in that bolt hole pattern, and then a lot of other measurements all over the part after that. What if we wanted to measure the rest of those bolt holes and have them in the program right after the first two holes? Well, we could measure them all and drag them to the correct order in the browser, or we can create an insertion point. To create the insertion point, simply right-click on any checkmate feature in the browser and select Insertion Point. That feature is now marked with 3 arrowheads. Once an insertion point has been defined on any checkmate entity in the programming browser, all measurements created will now be placed above that insertion point in the browser. Once you are finished inserting measurements, we want to clear the insertion point by right-clicking anywhere in the browser and unchecking the insertion point setting. Thanks for watching and have a great day.